Welcome. Today, we're diving deep into Task 3 of the People domain for PMP exam preparation. This task focuses on supporting team performance, a critical skill for any project manager. We'll break down each component, from appraising team member performance to verifying improvements. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to support and recognize your team's growth, determine the right feedback approach, and ensure continuous performance improvement. Let's start by understanding why supporting team performance is so essential in project management and how it impacts project outcomes. Team performance is at the heart of project success. A high-performing team can overcome obstacles, adapt to changes, and deliver results efficiently. As a project manager, your role is to create an environment where each member feels valued and motivated. This not only boosts morale, but also drives productivity and innovation. When team members know their contributions are recognized and their growth is supported, they are more likely to go the extra mile. Let's explore how you can appraise and enhance your team's performance using proven strategies. Praising team member performance is more than just an annual review. It's an ongoing process that involves setting clear expectations, monitoring progress, and providing timely feedback. Start by establishing key performance indicators, KPIs, that align with project goals. Regularly check in with team members to discuss their progress and address any challenges. Use objective data and specific examples to ensure your appraisal is fair and constructive. This approach helps team members understand where they stand and what they can do to improve. KPIs are measurable values that demonstrate how effectively a team member is achieving key objectives. They should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART. Examples include meeting deadlines, quality of deliverables, and collaboration effectiveness. By tying performance appraisals to KPIs, you ensure that evaluations are transparent and aligned with project goals. This also makes it easier to identify areas for improvement and recognize outstanding contributions. Supporting and recognizing team member growth is vital for long-term success. Encourage continuous learning by providing access to training, workshops, or mentorship programs. Recognize achievements, both big and small, to boost confidence and motivation. When team members see that their growth is valued, they are more likely to take initiative and contribute innovative ideas. This creates a positive feedback loop that benefits both the individual and the project as a whole. Recognition doesn't always have to be formal. Simple gestures like a thank you note, public acknowledgement during meetings, or small rewards can go a long way. Tailor your recognition to individual preferences. Some may appreciate public praise, while others prefer private acknowledgement. The key is to be sincere and timely. Consistent recognition fosters a culture of appreciation and motivates team members to maintain high performance. Determining the appropriate feedback approach is crucial for team development. Feedback should be specific, actionable, and focused on behaviors rather than personalities. Use the SBI model, situation, behavior, impact, to structure your feedback. For example, describe the situation, explain the observed behavior, and discuss its impact on the team or project. This method keeps feedback objective and constructive, making it easier for team members to accept and act upon. Constructive feedback is a powerful tool for improvement. Focus on what can be changed and offer suggestions for how to improve. Avoid vague statements or personal criticism. Instead, highlight specific actions and their outcomes. Encourage open dialogue and invite team members to share their perspectives. This two-way communication builds trust and helps identify solutions together, leading to better performance and stronger relationships. Timing is everything when it comes to feedback. Provide feedback as close to the event as possible, while emotions are still fresh and details are clear. Immediate feedback allows team members to adjust their behavior quickly and reinforces positive actions. However, be mindful of the setting. Choose a private space for sensitive topics to maintain trust and respect. After providing feedback and support, it's important to verify that performance improvements are taking place. Set measurable goals and track progress over time. Use regular check-ins and performance reviews to assess whether changes have been implemented. Celebrate successes and address any ongoing challenges. This continuous improvement cycle ensures that your team remains on track and continues to grow. Continuous improvement is a mindset that encourages teams to always look for ways to get better. Encourage your team to reflect on their performance, learn from mistakes, and seek out new opportunities for growth. Foster an environment where feedback is welcomed and learning is celebrated. This not only improves project outcomes, but also helps team members develop valuable skills for their careers. Supporting team performance isn't always easy. Common challenges include resistance to feedback, lack of motivation, and unclear expectations. Address these issues by fostering open communication, setting clear goals, and providing consistent support. Remember, every team is unique, so be flexible and adapt your approach as needed. By proactively addressing challenges, you can help your team overcome obstacles and achieve their full potential. Let's look at a case study. Imagine a project where deadlines are consistently missed. The project manager reviews KPIs and discovers that unclear task assignments are the root cause. By clarifying roles and providing targeted feedback, the team's performance improves. This example shows how regular appraisal and feedback can identify issues early and drive positive change. In another scenario, a team member consistently exceeds expectations but feels unappreciated. The project manager introduces a monthly recognition program, highlighting achievements in team meetings. As a result, morale and productivity increase across the team. This case demonstrates the power of recognition in supporting team growth and motivation. Consider a situation where feedback is delivered in a group setting, causing embarrassment. The project manager learns from this and switches to private, one-on-one feedback sessions. This change leads to better acceptance and more effective performance improvements. The lesson here is to tailor your feedback approach to the individual and the situation. A team implements new processes after receiving feedback, but results are mixed. The project manager sets up regular check-ins to monitor progress and adjust strategies as needed. Over time, performance steadily improves. This case highlights the importance of verifying improvements and being flexible in your approach. When appraising performance, be consistent and objective. Use data and specific examples to support your evaluations. Avoid bias and ensure that all team members are assessed using the same criteria. Regularly update KPIs to reflect changing project needs. This ensures that your appraisals are relevant and effective. Make recognition a regular part of your team culture. Celebrate both individual and team achievements. Use a variety of recognition methods to keep things fresh and engaging. Encourage peer-to-peer recognition to build camaraderie and trust within the team. Deliver feedback in a timely and respectful manner. Focus on behaviors and outcomes, not personalities. Encourage open dialogue and listen actively to team members' perspectives. Follow up to ensure that feedback leads to meaningful change. Set clear, measurable goals for improvement. Track progress regularly and adjust strategies as needed. Celebrate milestones to keep the team motivated. Continuous improvement is a journey, not a destination. Keep striving for excellence. Which of the following is the best way to appraise team member performance? A. Rely on personal opinions. B. Use key performance indicators, KPIs. C. Compare team members to each other. D. Focus only on mistakes. Correct answer, B. Explanation. Using KPIs ensures that performance appraisals are objective, measurable, and aligned with project goals. What is a key benefit of recognizing team member growth? A. Reduces project costs. B. Increases team motivation. C. Delays project deadlines. D. Limits innovation. Correct answer, B. Explanation. Recognizing growth boosts motivation, leading to higher engagement and better project outcomes. Which feedback approach is most effective? A. General and vague. B. Specific and actionable. C. Delayed and indirect. D. Focused on personality. Correct answer, B. Explanation. Specific, actionable feedback helps team members understand exactly what to improve and how. When should feedback be provided? A. Only during annual reviews. B. Immediately after the event. C. At the end of the project. D. Only if there is a problem. Correct answer, B. Explanation. Timely feedback ensures that details are fresh and allows for quick adjustments. What is the purpose of verifying performance improvements? A. To assign blame. B. To ensure changes are effective. C. To increase paperwork. D. To delay feedback. Correct answer, B. Explanation. Verifying improvements ensures that feedback and support lead to real, measurable progress. Which of the following is not a good recognition strategy? A. Public acknowledgement. B. Private praise. C. Ignoring achievements. D. Small rewards. Correct answer, C. Explanation. Ignoring achievements can demotivate team members. Recognition should be sincere and timely. What should feedback focus on? A. Personal traits. B. Specific behaviors. C. Team gossip. D. Past failures only. Correct answer, B. Explanation. Feedback should focus on specific behaviors and outcomes, not personal traits or gossip. How can a project manager support team member development? A. Assign repetitive tasks. B. Provide training opportunities. C. Limit communication. D. Avoid feedback. Correct answer, B. Explanation. Providing training and development opportunities helps team members grow and contribute more effectively. What is the first step in appraising team performance? A. Give feedback. B. Set clear KPIs. C. Assign blame. D. Ignore issues. Correct answer, B. Explanation. Setting clear KPIs provides a foundation for objective and fair performance appraisals. Why is continuous improvement important? A. It increases paperwork. B. It helps teams adapt and grow. C. It delays project delivery. D. It discourages innovation. Correct answer, B. Explanation. Continuous improvement encourages teams to learn, adapt, and achieve better results over time. Let's recap what we've covered. Supporting team performance involves appraising performance using KPIs, recognizing growth, providing effective feedback, and verifying improvements. By applying these strategies, you can create a motivated, high-performing team that consistently delivers results. Remember, your role as a project manager is to guide, support, and inspire your team every step of the way. Put these concepts into practice. Start by setting clear expectations and KPIs for your team. Provide regular feedback and recognize achievements promptly. Encourage continuous learning and be open to adapting your approach as your team evolves. These practical steps will help you build a strong, cohesive team ready to tackle any project challenge. Avoid common pitfalls such as inconsistent appraisals, delayed feedback, and lack of recognition. These mistakes can undermine team morale and hinder performance. Instead, strive for consistency, timeliness, and sincerity in all your interactions with the team. Remember, small actions can have a big impact on team dynamics. There are many tools available to help manage team performance, such as performance dashboards, feedback apps, and recognition platforms. Choose tools that fit your team's needs and make it easy to track progress, give feedback, and celebrate achievements. The right tools can streamline your processes and enhance team engagement. As a project manager, you are both a leader and a coach. Your job is to set the vision, provide guidance, and support your team's growth. By fostering a culture of trust, accountability, and continuous improvement, you empower your team to achieve their best. Remember, your leadership style sets the tone for the entire project. Trust is the foundation of any high-performing team. Build trust by being transparent, keeping your promises, and showing genuine concern for your team's well-being. Encourage open communication and create a safe space for team members to share ideas and concerns. Trust leads to better collaboration and higher performance. Collaboration is key to solving complex problems and achieving project goals. Foster a collaborative environment by promoting teamwork, sharing information, and encouraging diverse perspectives. Use team-building activities to strengthen relationships and improve communication. When everyone works together, the team becomes greater than the sum of its parts. Conflicts are inevitable in any team. Address conflicts promptly and constructively by listening to all sides, identifying the root cause, and working together to find a solution. Encourage respectful dialogue and focus on the issue, not the person. Effective conflict resolution strengthens relationships and keeps the team focused on project goals. Projects often face unexpected changes. Help your team adapt by communicating changes clearly, involving them in decision-making, and providing the support they need to adjust. Flexibility and resilience are essential qualities for high-performing teams. By embracing change, your team can turn challenges into opportunities. Take time to celebrate your team's successes, both big and small. Celebrations boost morale, reinforce positive behaviors, and create lasting memories. Whether it's a team lunch, a shout-out in a meeting, or a simple thank you, acknowledging achievements keeps your team motivated and engaged. Failure is a natural part of any project. Encourage your team to view failures as learning opportunities. Analyze what went wrong, identify lessons learned, and apply them to future projects. This growth mindset helps your team become more resilient and better prepared for future challenges. Innovation drives project success. Encourage your team to share new ideas and experiment with different approaches. Create a safe environment where creativity is valued and mistakes are seen as part of the learning process. Innovative teams are more adaptable and better equipped to solve complex problems. Supporting your team's well-being includes promoting a healthy work-life balance. Encourage regular breaks, respect personal time, and be mindful of workloads. A balanced team is more productive, creative, and less prone to burnout. Show your team that you care about their overall well-being, not just their output. Leadership development is an ongoing journey. Encourage team members to take on leadership roles, provide mentorship, and offer opportunities for skill building. Developing leadership skills within your team prepares them for future challenges and ensures the long-term success of your projects. Supporting team performance is a multifaceted responsibility that requires ongoing effort, empathy, and adaptability. By praising performance fairly, recognizing growth, providing effective feedback, and verifying improvements, you set your team up for success. Remember, a strong team is the foundation of every successful project. Keep investing in your people, and you'll see the results in every project you lead.